Hello, I'm going to do a quick tutorial about how to make a banner. There are some easy mistakes to make and they're quite avoidable if you just follow some basic rules. So the first thing I would suggest you do is print out what it is you want to put on your banner, and once you've got an idea, that helps you set up the spacing of it, and then fold it in half and then fold it in half again so you get two centres. You get this centre and you get this centre, and then mark it on your fabric. The most crucial thing when you're lettering a banner is always start from the middle, because if you start at that end you're either going to end up with too much space or not enough space at this end. But if you start in the middle, work that way and then that way, the chances are it will look even. But before I start lettering, I'm going to put some colour down on this banner, just to make some colour around this area, the divest area, just to make that pop out. So I've got my colour and I'm just going to put some colour down. Now if you think about this too much, it won't look good. You've got to kind of just go with it. So I've got a big brush and I'm just going to do it in the middle where the divest is. I've got some paint and some water to spray it with. So I'll just put some water down because we don't want the paint too thick. We're not actually painting, we're just kind of daubing. And that'll probably do. So this is how far I've got so far. I've got Cambridge University in the Cambridge University font, and I did that with a Sharpie pen. I penciled it first and then I did it with a Sharpie pen. Now the divest was done with stencils, and I just stenciled the outline, which left quite a bold sign. So now I've put the letters in from Fossil Fuels at the bottom, and I'm just going to paint them with a paintbrush and acrylic paint. Here's the banner finished. Cambridge University divest from fossil fuels. Now, having told you always to start from the middle and work out so that you get it right, somehow I ended up with the letters all overspilling on this end. So I've put on can you see it? I've put on a logo here just to balance the letters up. Can you see that? So here's the banner complete. And before I started, I sewed a seam up either end, so you can put your pole in here. You'll need to do this, and it's good to do it before you start, and then you know exactly how much canvas you're working with. So, how to make a banner. Good luck!